Ay, Dedma, napahiya ka tuloy. Kaya gumamit na ng Radiant Skin All-in-One Hand and It transform your dry and rough skin into smoother, softer, whiter, and fresher one. At ang magiging resulta after 2 weeks,
Forever young, I wanna be forever young. Do you really want to live forever?